생각해 너무 달콤달콤해 맘이 간질간질해 온몸을 감싸는 feeling 자꾸 너만 찾아 너만 찾아 넌 조각 느껴본 적 없는 달콤한 너 그게 해줄래
Oh. Oh. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, is this microphone too high?
Oh my gosh.
No. Why are we here?
Because my boyfriend did my makeup.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. You have to push me
I
when
know.
you're talking about it.
Today we're gonna be doing. We released a new song called Sugar Cake.
Sugar cake makeup. Woo!
She was like, "Do sugar cake makeup." I was like, "What does that even mean?" So I'm just making some random makeup look and labeling it sugar cake makeup. Usually I was thinking like, oh, like really bright, colorful, sprinkly colors, like the sprinkles on a cupcake.
That's what you would think.
But I'm thinking more like soft, muted matte pinks with a little bit of shimmer. Yeah. Too Faced Peach Perfect.
Yes.
Actually, I need to wet this.
I really liked this the last time you put it on me. So.
It's really choc hand.
Chokchok and the color fit me perfectly because I'm a bit on the yellow side. Yeah. So.
Whoa. I should zoom in.
No, don't!
Sorry,
They're gonna see all
too
my
late.
pores.
Girl.
You know, Simba,
Simba?
when like they mark the child with like paint. Okay, let's talk about sugar cake.
It's so weird having to repeat our
I
conversation.
know.
But we'll just hope so. Anyway, so you released your new single.
Yes.
Which is very different from your first one. Arakara-K.
Oh my god.
You basically did this whole thing yourself, this project.
Right.
Too close.
I'm really grateful because not a lot of idols get that chance.
맞아요.
But I was able to, and I realized I'm so blessed to have so many talented friends around
It's
me.
getting all serious now.
Eddie.
Oh god, anyway.
He shot the choreography version, so
It's
thank you so
literally
much.
just like back and forth.
Link right here or right here. And the choreographer is right here! Mina and Jinu from 1 million! Okay.
Hey!
But yeah, this time around I got to have all my opinions turn into actual products.
yeah.
Yeah, so it was amazing.
Joe wrote.
Yeah, Joe of 220 wrote my song along with McKay.
Hey!
I actually got to write a bit of the song as well.
The one line.
No, it's not. No, it's more than that.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Wow. Artist.
I actually felt like an artist this time.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Love that.
I'm an artist just like Eddie is.
Oh, I literally do not think.
Thank you so much. What is this?
Multi-use sculpting concealer. I was a little surprised because when I first heard the song, I had like imagined the music video to be one way, but it's actually quite different because
way?
you would expect this because the song is kind of cute with like R&B vibes, so you'd expect a music video, but the music video is a lot more like it's cute but not.
Cinematic.
You're right. It's cute, but like not in like a super like bubblegum pop sort of way.
Right.
The guy that does my music videos did yours.
Yeah,
And so he has,
nerdy.
he has a really nice style that I like.
Yeah. I purposely took out all the dance from the music video because I really wanted to take out all like idol-y 느낌, like idol-y
yeah.
vibes from the music video.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of people expected something like idol-y
Yeah.
in the music video, but because it wasn't, the reactions
Surprised?
are really good. Yeah.
Oh.
They're surprised. and-
That it wasn't very like because Coco Soul
Yeah.
is very
Yeah.
over the top.
Right. Eddie's probably gonna put like Broccoli Man here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I really like Coco Story too, but it just really isn't me.
Uh huh.
I mean, because all my friends know
Uh huh.
who I am and how I really
What's your
am.
boy doing? Just kidding.
Stop doing that! People really think serious sometimes.
Maja.
Yeah.
It's powder. It's called pound cake. The color.
Pound cake!
The color is
Sugar
pound
cake!
It also smells really freaking good. You already smelled the seed.
Yeah.
Rea-
Oh, wow. I don't know, a lot of people were also thinking, because I kind of hyped it a bit, I guess, like telling people during KCON and whenever I talked about my comeback, I'll be like, you know, it's really different from what I've been doing,
Yeah.
and it's what I've been always wanting to do all my life.
Yeah.
You know, so I think I hyped it a bit. A lot of people were expecting it to be more like flamboyant or like
right,
something
right.
more like dramatic. I guess.
It's more subtle.
Subtle, but
Catchy.
that's me. That's what I wanted to go for. Just being real and being just me. And this time around, it's just that. So, you know, people that were expecting more, I'm sorry to disappoint, but I'm not that girl.
Like something more in line with Kokosori?
I guess, or I guess they just thought that I would bring out something more like crazy, like those idol-y songs, like boom boom. You know,
It's more
boom,
like
boom,
solo
boom.
artist.
I hope so.
Alright, well, your eyebrows.
What'd you do to my face?
좋은 거 아니야?
Ooh, I look so like baby skin.
Yeah, on this side.
이게 Sephora 있는 브랜드인데 they just recently came out to Korea, right?
Yeah, they're coming to Korea.
Two.
Bless
Lord.
you.
Two.
Lord.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Does it look right?
Oh yeah, this again. And I want my brows to be a little bit longer. And then fill in the top so it doesn't look too arched.
You know what? It's my makeup, so I'll do whatever the fuck I want. Alright, shading.
My nose.
Just a little.
Oh, I feel like you're using a lighter color than last time, huh?
This is literally the same thing I
Really?
used. Yeah.
What's that?
Well,
Oh, is that the cute brush?
just the
Oh
cute
my gosh.
brush.
I think she's using your makeup over there.
아니다 아닌데.
다 써야 돼.
메이크업 그걸 왜 가져왔어? 여기서 했으면
Oh,
그니까.
She brought her own makeup. We had to stop by her house for a bit. And then she's like, man, why did I bring all my makeup? He has more here.
I know. Oh. 이건 좋아.
Oh, my pimple. I've been breaking out. No, don't cover it. It's okay.
I
People
didn't.
can't see it.
Are you sure?
No, yeah. We want it to breathe.
Just make sure you look down and don't look up. The whole look is gonna be matte, but I do want to put a little highlight. This isn't one of my less intense highlighters. The one I used on you last time was a little too much. It literally made your nose look like your face is here, but then your nose is like over
Oh, I
here.
like that.
I
Perfect.
너무 좋아.
Ooh.
이것도 smell this.
Smell it?
좋지. 이거 너무 좋아.
Ooh. Ooh.
I actually did the same exact makeup on my face today.
So we can couple
Couple makeup look.
look.
Is that more just like girl and gay best friend? 이거 어제 써봤는데 the cold because I know the red Coca-Cola one became really viral on the internet. This is the cool tone version that they came out with, but I don't really like it because the pigment is kind of shit. So I'm gonna use the Lime Crime Venus XL palette, and I'm literally just using like 2 colors.
Oh, Eddie. I don't know much
별로지.
about I don't know much about makeup, but when I swatched it, it's like gone. I'm just like, oh.
This is the color I was expecting it to be right here. It's like a caramely pink with like gold undertones, I guess.
I hope you can hear Nina crunching on her twigs. Yes,
Oh,
I feel like after KCON, you're more free.
I had so many events this summer. I just want to go to bed.
What's the color you're wearing on your eyes?
This.
Oh, really?
I feel like I'm wearing the exact same look I'm about to
Oh.
do on you.
Glitter?
Ooh, 좋은데.
Yo, can I see the what is it? That thing you were holding, 아까? I thought it was an eyeshadow palette.
This is just a color, just to make sure the color looks correct on
I thought it was
camera.
eyeshadow palette.
Stupid. So Mina,
No questions for me.
how is dyeing the 안무?
How's making the choreography? I'm the translator now.
네.
어땠냐고?
근데 되게 빨리 짜지 않았어? Didn't you make
그니까.
it really fast?
이렇게 이렇게 안무 짤 때 한번 이렇게 꽂히면은 금방 짜.
She's saying when she
그거
really gets
너무-
into it, she finishes it really fast.
컨셉이 확실했어.
음.
근데 내가 힘들었던 거는 귀여운 척을 계속 해야 돼서 힘들어.
Same.
코멘트 읽었어? 네, 그 안무 버전 밑에? There's a lot of comments under the Sugar Cake choreography version that's saying like, oh, I want to see Mina do it because they can't imagine her dancing to this cute choreography.
Yeah.
했으면 좋겠대. 왜냐면 너가 상상이 안 된대. 얼마나 귀엽게 할지 상상이 안 된대. I wrote like Mina's actually the cutest person in the world.
어 맞아.
It's like she can make you gag when she can really get into the cuteness. It's more like sexy when
she does
dances
it?
Yeah.
Oh right, I know, right? You can tell she's not used to it.
But her face is cute. Her expressions are cute.
But
But,
there's like a-
her body is
yeah.
like too flexible.
Yeah, 맞아,
that like
맞아.
however she moves, it's like sexy.
Yeah, 맞아.
향기도 sweet해 잡는 내 맘을 깨어나게 해 Boy, 그
좋아.
Ooh.
Alright, so that's all cute and shit. The star of the show? Stila Magnificent.
Oh my god.
Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, but this is exclusive. This color is exclusive in
Oh
Korea.
really?
어? 그 색깔인가?
이 색깔.
어, 개 좋아. 어, 엄마. 세상에.
It shows. It shows. Ooh. And then it's gone.
I know when you open your eyes. Your eyes are so big. Yeah.
I thought you told me not to put it there.
Well, I'm going to today.
Oh, this color sits pretty well. I feel like the glitter is less on this product.
Yeah, it's not super chunky glitter.
It's more fine. The
맞아,
glitter.
맞아. 어머.
Right?
Beauty YouTuber. 헐, 이거 봐.
Oh my god, sorry. Ruining
Fucking
that.
Coco. Oh my god, it's like we're on the set of like a drama. There's a picture I saw of like the guy from JYJ, Jeju? Literally, it was like the most legendary. He was like sleeping, but his makeup artist was like doing his
Everything?
makeup.
Really?
I love it. He was like under the
God.
blanket and everything, but his makeup was
Why
getting
was
done.
he sleeping?
몰라.
Dude, the difference between our first makeup video. No, I'm talking about when you first ever did makeup.
Oh, 그래?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest, at all, ever.
Our interaction is so much more like meaner towards each other.
맞아, because we're just so 변해 in front of each other. We don't give a shit. Gorgeous. Yes, bitch. Yes. Now for blush. Mono Pink, 3CE.
Yes.
혼자 있을 땐 자꾸만
사라졌다.
It doesn't show on the camera.
It's too.
무슨 짓을 한 거야
Ooh.
기분 씁쓸해질 땐 네가
Kind of like 사랑스러운 vibes. I'm putting it like really,
Lovely
really
vibe.
like 넓게. And I'm not gonna put any highlighter or cheeks because I think it takes away from the look. Then last but not least is the lips, which I actually changed.
Oh, you're gonna change?
Yeah, I found this one that I want to use. From
you couldn't
Etude House.
find yesterday?
The matte chic lip, the red velvet lip tint, whatever. But this is a different color from that line. This is like a kind of like peachy beige shade.
This looks like the NARS one that Mina always puts on. 너 색깔은 비슷하지? Oh,
아,
that
그러네.
one, right? That's the one I was talking
That
about.
hers is a little bit more
이게 더
nude though.
핑키해.
This is a little bit more pink.
괜히 아찔아찔해 살짝 내게 안길 땐 I'm feeling good 내 맘이 자꾸 너만 찾아
More?
Oh, I definitely like this eyeshadow better than the other one you put on me.
Look, I'm trying my best. Oh my god, what am I doing?
Oh, my lips are like Kylie Jenner!
망했어!
What is that?
It's like an orangey brick color
Weird.
from 3C. I think, I don't know, I just want to do it. So I'm going to.
Oh my god! I
Chala.
would never wear this! No!
Well, it's my makeup, so it kind of matches the orangey tones in the eyeshadow. 알았잖아.
Where's
너무
the
좋아.
tiny hand? Oh, I feel like it's like a sugar cake in fall.
I literally was up till like 3 a.m. trying to find the right makeup for this look.
Oh.
Alright, well, we're done. Oh wait, we need to take this down. Whoa.
Oh my god, no, Mina has it. Oh my gosh.
All right,
thanks,
Shirley
okay.
Temple. So much better than the other
I know.
day.
I mean, hand. Ooh.
Oh my god, so fake.
I love it. What are you talking about?
나도 좋아.
Stuck with my hair.
Or from like here, this is like what you normally wear,
Yeah.
right?
This, I love this.
Right.
Yeah, I have
But
it myself. Model
I think this is the most shimmer I've seen you wear in your eyes. though.
Yeah, I think I should start wearing shimmer.
Like maybe look down so they can see it. Nope. Yes.
Oh my god.
When have you ever been sexy? No. Nope. Nope. Just kidding. Anyway,
Please listen to Sugar Cake.
it's a really fun if you're into R&B.
Yeah.
약간. It's kind of 90s in a way to me, or early 2000s.
Right.
그거 너무 좋아.
Yeah. Because trends come back
Yeah.
for music as
But
well.
it's really
just like
catchy in
fashion.
general. Honestly, when we were in the 녹음실,
Before,
recording
recording studio.
the demo
Yeah.
a long time ago, I like recorded it on my phone.
It was like secretly recorded.
yeah. So I had like bits and parts of Ed McKay singing to that. Anyway, check that out. Check the dance version out.
It'll be right here or right here. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
오.
한 조각.
오.
See you guys. Bye.
너무 달콤달콤해 맘이 간질간질해 온몸을 감싸는